Many of you will have a Mac that doesn't support the latest OS, so I thought I'd do a quick guide on how to install Catalina on an unsupported Mac. Welcome to Mac 24/7. So what you're looking at is my MacBook from late 2008. It's running, as you can see, El Capitan version 10.11 and isn't supposed to go any higher than this, but I'm going to show you how. So if you can open up Safari, and we'll head to this website that I'll put in the description below. It's basically a patcher, and we're going to download it from this page here. If you open the installer, double click on the patcher, which should open a new window so we can install. Always click open to this. It's just a warning that your Mac's giving you. It's absolutely fine. It's a safe piece of software. So I'm just going to close down these windows so we can see what's going on. So if you'd like to click continue and continue again, and then you want to download a copy. I'm just going to speed this up so you don't have to watch the whole 8 gig downloading, because that's pretty boring for everybody. Once it's installed, we need to create a bootable installer. Now I've put a USB drive already in this computer. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on create a bootable installer, which is going to install the Catalina patcher to that drive that you've just inserted. So go ahead and click on your drive. Mine's titled Untitled, just because there's nothing more original. And you go to Start, and then just yes, that is just telling you it's going to be a raise. Pop your user password in if you're not on an administrator account, and it'll slowly but surely install the software onto that drive. I'll speed it up again because once again it does get a bit boring if you're watching a progress bar go by quite slowly. It will take a while, so just enjoy. And we should be playing some lift music at this point, I think, but let's just get on with the video. So now the installer has been created, we need to switch to another view that I've captured the screen. It won't be the best quality, but it's the only way for me to show you how the boot up sequence works and how you install it from that drive. So we'll flip over to that now and I'll talk you right through it. So now I'm going to restart the MacBook. Apologies about the quality, but it was the best way that I could get to show you this whole restart procedure. Click the EFI boot, which is now the name of your drive that we just created, and it'll take you through to the Mac recovery window. It's just having a look at what's attached to the computer at the moment, and as it says on the screen, examining them. So if you go to reinstall macOS, which is the second option down, it's now going to use the drive with the copy of Catalina to reinstall to your MacBook. You need to tell it where to go though, so click continue, agree to that. And then I'm going to select MacBook, but your computer could be named something different, but that's what mine's called. So we've clicked on that and it'll start to install on the MacBook. Now this is going to take some time, so I will once again speed this up, but just be aware that it will take a bit more time than perhaps you're thinking. Once your Mac has gone through this initial install, it's going to do its main install, which will take you significantly longer. It could take about 30 minutes. This is the same as if you're doing any Mac major update. Your Mac will do this every time, but you just have to let it run and wait till it's finished. So we're back to regular screen capture now, and if I go to About This Mac, you'll be able to see that we are running OS Catalina 10.15.5 on the exact same MacBook we had before. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.